Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Santana. Today we've got a smoothie for you that is so delicious. It is for diabetics. So if you are diabetic or if you know someone that has diabetes, please refer them to this channel and to this video in particular because I'll be sharing you a recipe that is perfect for them. So without further ado, let's get straight into it.
Yeah, and you are the time of my life. Amaru, yeah. You brought the days to my nights. Eh, I did everything I said, but I did it all my way. Oh wow, told you when you came my way, can nobody take your place. Oh wow, you know like the game them play. Give it to you straight all day. Oh wow, body do the talking, babe. Baby if you make man praise. Oh wow, yeah. Today owana odo ejinye la lo me. Ame bude quick be my hotepe oh. Yeah. You bring the energy that I need to charge my life. And if it do you no wrong, baby. Yeah. And you are the time of my life. Of my life, yeah. You brought the days to my night. Yeah. You brought the days to my nights. Me no look no other way. Do anything for my babe. Oh wow, too much on that body, babe. You go take my breath away. Oh wow, she go make magic in the bedroom and I can't wait. Big mood, in love with you forever. Yeah. No day owana odo ejinye la lo me. Ame bude quick be my hotepe oh. Yeah. You bring the energy that I need to charge my life. And if it do you no wrong, baby. Yeah. And you are the time of my life. You are the time of my life. Yeah. You brought the days to my nights. And you brought the days to my forever. Yeah, forever, I can't put it in words. No. You brought the days to my nights. Something you do to my heart. Something you do. Yeah.